What is up, guys? I want to show you how to take care of your boxing gloves and keep them clean, because the more you box, it's gonna get stinky and not smell so great. So what I use is a kitchen towel and just a disinfectant of your choice. I like to use Milton's because it's got a bit of bleach in it, but it's not too harsh. So I just want to wipe the outside of the glove. Just wipe everywhere, because from sparring you've got a lot of spit and sweat and all sorts of things around your glove. So just wipe the whole thing, make sure you get all around it, and just keep it nice and germ free. You then want to keep it dry because you sweat a lot in your gloves, so just use a hairdryer, works the easiest, and just get all in there. Make sure it's nice and dry, no sweat, no moisture. Once you got that all sorted, you want to put a thin layer of baby powder. You don't want to do too much, because if you do too much you're going to be spraying baby powder when you throw punches. So just use a thin layer, get it all around the glove nice and evenly, and then from there you want to find an open area where there's some airflow, maybe some sunshine, and just let them sit and dry out, and that is it.